Hey guys, Matt here again at the Titan Outlet store. Just letting you know we got on this 2006 BR780A round baler, 1000 pto small, good condition. You can tell it's been stored inside. Nice clean machine. So give us a call if you're interested in this baler.
Hello and welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2006 New Holland BR780A in good condition. Let's take a closer look at the features on this round baler. This BR780A produces 5x6 foot bales in its fixed bale chamber and features a standard width, standard type pickup with dual gauge wheels, along with a spring bale tensioner, kicker, and electronic monitor, and electric double wrap, a 1000 pto, and standard tires. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR780A. If you're interested in this round baler and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.